Hi there. If you're a busy restoration contractor, you've come to the right place for Xactimate estimating services. We'll help you get your Xactimate estimates written quickly and accurately for fire and smoke damages, water and flood damages, wind and storm damages, and any other type of damage that may befall a residential or commercial property, for projects large and small, located anywhere within the United States and Canada. Basically, if the project can be estimated in Xactimate, we can help. Our estimators are licensed, trained, and certified through FEMA and Xactimate, and we are knowledgeable about many third-party administrator estimating requirements. With the estimating expertise at our company, when you send us a project to estimate, you can be confident that we will estimate your project quickly and accurately, so you can get paid faster and leave less money on the table. Here is how you get started. Contact us now by clicking the button and completing the form. One of our representatives will reach out to you to learn about your business, discuss your unique needs, and present the available solutions that we have at estimatewriters.us. On our call, we'll also discuss price, timelines, and any other questions that you may have. Choosing to work with estimatewriters.us is a very important strategic decision for your business. The time for action is now. Don't sit around hoping your Xactimate estimating problem will solve itself, because it won't. Start taking action by contacting us right now. Click the button, then complete the form to get started. After you complete the form, we'll be in touch shortly. Don't delay. Complete the form to get started. Talk with you soon.